Knows the final truth about how the end of days will unfold.
It's a global conflict. He gathered them together to a place called Armageddon. The cities of the nations fell, and that applies to Tokyo, to Moscow, to Paris, to Los Angeles, even to Rome.
10 seconds.
A sign that will appear in the sky, people will look up and think, is it a bird, is it a plane, is it a satellite, what is it? And it's going to get closer and closer. Coming on a white horse to deliver his people and to rescue those that have stood up for him, surrounded by angels, billions of angels. The trumpet's going to sound. These holy angels are going to invade.
Pete's going to kill me.
And then there's the remaking of A New Heaven and A New Earth.
Now he's out 2 BajaLites. Both his BajaLites are fucking torn to bits. Well, that got expensive real quick, huh?
The sad reality is...
The first thing that went through my mind is, I owe Cowboy $5. He's like, I bet you flip it on the first lap. Cowboy!
Get in it and go! If this was Baja, you could leave it here and it would be gone tonight. It'd be stripped and all ready for sale.
Rent it to flip it. New slogan.
Whoa, you're gonna bury us. We're buried.
You're buried?
Yeah, we tried going forward and it's a lawn dart. We can't get it.
Let's go!
When you see all these things happening, know that it's near. When you see all these things happening, know that it's near, it's even at the doors. We're almost there.